Om Shanti. I, the soul, the being of light, sit in the center of my forehead. I belong to the world beyond. The realm of golden red light. Beyond physical dimension. I, the soul, the being of light, belong to the One, the Supreme Being of light, the Supreme Soul, the Supreme Father, my original parent. I reach my home, the realm of light, with the power of thoughts. It is here that the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, also resides. This is my home. And my Father, the eternal light, Shiv Baba, is my eternal parent. Just like me, the being of light, Shiv Baba is also eternal, beyond birth and death. He is ever pure, incorporeal, beyond time and space. My Baba is the source of all love. Wisdom, and power. Baba is the point of eternal truth. He's the powerhouse for all of us, His children. Shiv Baba is oceanic in his qualities, supreme in his powers. If I, the being of light, am a being of peace, my Baba is the ocean of peace. If I, the being of light, am an embodiment of purity, my Baba is the ocean of purity. He's the ocean of all powers, ocean of love, never-ending, unconditional love. Is what he has to offer. Baba is just like me. No difference in the size. But he never takes on a body of his own through the womb of the mother, like I do. He never comes into the bondages of the physical dimension and the vagaries of the mind. He's always beyond, always supreme. And that's why he is the only liberator. For all souls. Baba is the one who can liberate me from my sorrow, bitter experiences, painful memories, the guilt, the shame, the aches and pains of the body even. He is my guide. He guides me gently into my truth. Pulling me away from the illusions of the part that I play. He is the remover of sorrow and the bestower of happiness. He is the bestower of peace. This cannot be a task of any other bodily being. This eternal light, Shiv Baba, is a living personality, my own parent. I belong to my Shiv Baba. Om Shanti.